Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can turn on the level in your camera on your iPhone. That is, you have a camera, maybe you have the grid enabled, but if you have updated to the new iOS 17, there's a very cool feature called level. That is, you will have a level display here, and you will understand at what degree you took a picture. That is, even or not even, how you do it. You go into the settings of your iPhone. Here you go a little lower and find the item called camera, and now here we go also a little lower and select the item composition, and here we press the button level turned on. Level, now we go back into the camera and we have this level. That is, we can see this stick appears when we tilt the phone, but if there is no background, it will not be visible. Here at Look, I tilt the camera, and as you can see, there is a level. Of course, it is not very visible on the camera, but the function is cool enough. Because of the fact that I'm shooting the phone, which is at the bottom, unfortunately you can't see it all, but it will work fine. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.